I'm literally questioning all my decisions right now because I still need to go up there and take all that down, and then also remove all of this. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a closet makeover video slash organizing slash I don't know, just remodeling my closet. Right now this is what my closet looks like. It looks like this. I have sliding doors and my closet is just straight up junky, and I have hair products at the top. But I want to change it up. I want to do something different, you know, something more organized. I got this storage system. So this is not, it's not going to be exactly like this because my closet is not this big, but I was thinking about moving this to one side and then have the rods go on one side, one at the top, one at the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna start off just taking everything out, and yeah, I just gotta start taking everything out. But the only thing is that I really don't want to take this door down because I'm not trying to put it back up. And then the type of floor that I have is kind of like tiles, so I really don't want to take this door down. But anyways, let's just start. Let's just take everything out the closet. So yeah. This dress that I wore on my birthday last year, like, tell me this dress does not eat the girls up. Like, okay, so I had to turn the fan on, so if you hear anything, it's the fan. I have to get a black garbage bag because some of these clothes got to go. Not even clothes, the shoes. Some of these, yeah, I'm not keeping as much as I think that I'm gonna be keeping. I got this new backpack on Temu. It was like viral on TikTok, but I was like, I'm not gonna get it on TikTok. I'm gonna go on Temu and get it. And that's what I did. And it's so cute. It has so many pockets. One pocket here, pocket here, here. There's one behind here. I think I'd say, okay, so this is how far I got before I say that. This is how far I got. This is one half of the closet. And then this is a whole nother half. And then I have to still take everything from up there down. But right now I'm just taking out all my shoes. But I've been having a moisture problem in my room, and it seems like all the shoes that I put under my bed are literally getting ruined by the moisture. I don't know what it is, but it's like fuzzies on the shoes. So me personally, I normally just throw them out. I do not care because I don't want that in my room, and I just disinfect everything. But it's hard out here. It's hard out here. But everything in the closet seems to be good. I've been checking all the shoes that are in boxes, and they're pretty good. Everything that was not in boxes that are under the bed, I'm a little scared to check them because I'm afraid they might be looking a little fuzzy. Okay, so I finished one side of the closet. Still gotta take those down, but let's start with the next side. It is hot in this room when I tell y'all. I literally had to put this fan on because I'm hot. I did not realize I had this much clothes until I took everything out of this tiny closet. I'm literally livid right now. It's also a combination of some of my boyfriend's jackets. Alright, so this is my little stand that I had that I was putting a whole bunch of junk on, but this stand is gonna have to go somewhere because it's serving no purpose in the closet. I also have to measure my closet again because what if this thing doesn't fit and I took everything out for no reason? I measured it prior, but now I'm thinking like, damn, maybe it's not gonna fit, but I measured it. So okay, so apparently the shelves are supposed to be 82 inches tall. Don't come for me, y'all, don't come for me. So this is the ruler. This is the measuring tape. So it will definitely fit because the ceiling is pretty tall in here. I am not an expert, by the way, so if you see me making any mistakes, just know I'm not an expert. I'm literally questioning all my decisions right now because I still need to go up there and take all that down and then also remove all of this. Alright, so now I'm gonna sweep out the closet. This is what the floor is looking like. Not too bad. And then I'm gonna start building the shelf. I'm thinking about leaving these boards here, but we'll see. Okay, y'all, so this is what the shelving looks like after I put it in. Oh my god, if this thing would zoom. Yeah, so this is the shelving. Anyway, so this is some of the final results of the closet. Let me give y'all, oh my god, I'm so tired and I still have more stuff to do. And this is, oh my god, let me zoom out. Hold on. Okay. And this is the other side. So I have one rack up there, and then I have another rack up there, and then I just have a whole bunch of junk. My shoes are at the bottom. So yeah, all in all, it took me the entire day to do this. I will eventually put these clothes in, what are they called? I forgot what they're called, but I'll eventually, the air suction bags, vacuum pack bags, put these in vacuum pack bags so they can be a little smaller. But yeah, this is what it's giving. And it goes all the way up to the ceiling, so that's pretty good. Yeah.